Good morning, online owls. It's your Friday assembly. It's Mrs. Leach here. It's Friday, December 18th, 2020. It is the last day of school before our holiday break for 2 weeks. Well, let's get this started with a little bit of movement today. We're going to do a little bit of holiday trivia.
Yoo-hoo! It's time for a brain break, the games where we energize our body to ignite our mind. And today's game is Holiday Trivia, where questions will be from many different holidays celebrated this time of season. 10 seconds to choose between three options and 20 seconds to do the matching activity. The correct answer will be revealed in the last 5 seconds. Here we go with round one. What does Hanukkah mean in Hebrew? Is it A, festival, B, dedication, or C, candles? If you said A, festival, you get to do squat punches. If you said B, dedication, you get to do standing side crunches. If you said C, candles, you get to do the maestro. The correct answer is B, dedication. Time for round two. Which country started the tradition of putting up a Christmas tree? Was it A, Germany, B, Belgium, or C, England? If you said A, Germany, you get to do bunny jumps. If you said B, Belgium, you get to do star jumps. And if you said C, England, you get to skip in place. The correct answer is A, Germany. Time for round three. Eid al-Fitr is the holiday celebrated following the holy month of Ramadan. When was it last celebrated in December? A, 2002, B, 2012, or C, 2018? If you said A, 2002, you get to do lunges. If you said B, 2012, you get to do jumping jacks. If you said C, 2018, you get to run in place. The correct answer is A, 2002. Time for the next round. Kwanzaa is celebrated for how many days? A, 3 days, B, 5 days, or C, 7 days? If you said A, 3 days, you get to do squat jumps. If you said B, 5 days, you get to do high knees. If you said C, 7 days, you get to do standing elbows to knees. The correct answer is C, 7 days. What is Diwali also known as? A, the Festival of Lights, B, the Festival of Colors, or C, the Festival of Dance? If you said A, Festival of Lights, you get to do cross countries. If you said B, Festival of Colors, you get to do jumping jacks. If you said C, Festival of Dance, you get to dance a little jig. The correct answer is A, Festival of Lights. Last question. What is the most popular Christmas meal in Japan? Is it A, cupcakes? Is it B, turkey? Or C, KFC fried chicken? If you said A, cupcakes, you get to do the maestro. If you said B, turkey, you get to do squat punches. And if you said C, KFC fried chicken, you get to do standing side crunches. The correct answer is C, KFC fried chicken. It's time for a Yoo-hoo Shot.
Well, I wonder how many of those trivia questions you got right. It's very interesting. I want to announce the new District STEM Challenge for Trimester 2. We're going to launch it just before we go on this holiday break, just in case you might find some time to do it. The new challenge is to make a game. Your teacher will put the slides and the instructions into the Google Classroom so you can see what you're supposed to do. At the very end of those slides, there's a place where you can either post a picture of your game or explain your game. It's a Padlet. I want you to remember that you shouldn't be changing anything in that Padlet, that once something is posted, that's yours, and no one should be changing anyone else's Padlet post. Came to my attention that I forgot some November birthdays. I did October birthdays and then I forgot the November birthdays. So happy birthday to all these students, TK through 6th grade, that had birthdays in November. And of course, because today is our last day of school for December, I wanted to shout out happy birthday to all of our December birthdays. These are our students that are having December birthdays in TK all the way through 6th grade. Happy birthday, everyone.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Finally, we've come to some announcements. It's sports day. I hope that when I come into your classroom, I'm going to see people wearing some sports gear, either from your favorite professional team or maybe it's your own team that you play sports for. Teachers are going to take account to see how many students are showing their school spirit today. I wanted to announce that when we get back to school in January, I'm going to be hosting a coding lunch club every Tuesday. We had a lot of folks come during Hour of Code. I hope you're interested in coding still. So drop in and code with me from 12 to 12:45 on Tuesdays. I wanted to announce also and thank all of you, all the online owls and all your families. We raised $5,165 during the online owl food drive. This is what's so great about it. That helped Second Harvest buy 10,329 meals. That is awesome work, online owls. And finally, we've come to the Friday joke. What snack should you make for the snowman holiday party? Ice Krispy treats, of course. Have a great day of learning and a safe and healthy holiday break, and we'll see you next year.